Hello, welcome to Build from Scratch. In this video, I want to share Rust control flow. First, uh, for if keyword, it is to execute different code blocks based on the condition. And then we'll check the loop while and full loop for keyword to see how these keywords control the control the loops. First, let's see a basic example of if you can see if check the numbers greater than 0, then we print this greater than 0 words. Let's see another example about if else. Else here the else branch checks all other all other situations except when number is less than 0, less than or equal to 0. Here, if branch goes to the if condition checks fail, so it goes to the else branch. Let us check another example of if else case. Here we can add another else if is equal to 0. So you can see we can check multiple conditions with if else, if and else. change this value to 0. And it will go into the second branch. And let's see another example that in Rust, if blocks can also be an expression, meaning they can return values. Blocks are also expression, they can return values. If value is here we can assign a value to big N according the if-else branch in the if-else branch. So if N is less than 10 or greater than negative 10, then we can return 10 multiply N as a result, else we divide N by 2. So in this case, N is 5. So here the output should be 5 and 50. Let's check if N is 10. Then the value should be 10, 5. Let's see another example for if late. In this example, if late used to check if an option contains a value. Check option. Let value to be sum 42. Then we use if let some value to opt value. So here, if we can match a value from this option, then it will go into this branch. If the value is none, it will go into the else branch. Where we can see print 42. Now let's change back to now. Oops. 32. Yeah, you can see in this case the code goes into else branch because the option value is now. And for last example of is if we can see, you can check, you use if in the match expression. If match value values 1, 2. Here, if value greater than 2, so it goes this branch because its value is 3, so it will first check this branch and it check value is greater than 2, then it print greater than 2. If we change this value to be 0, change 0, so this check it will fail because the value is 0, so it will print the value is 0. Yeah, value is 0. Okay, that's all today's share. Thanks for your watching. I will introduce the loop while for keyword in next video.